We're gonna be cooking for our wives. Each lady is gonna get 3 spring rolls.
Got it. I don't think I made spring rolls since I last hung out with Nathan making spring rolls. Dude, oh my god, are we gonna have to make our own fish sauce?
No.
Okay, this is kind of a failure, but
I must admit, mine looks a lot better than Kevin's.
yours looks legit. I can
you,
see yours
thank
in a Vietnamese restaurant run by Chinese people.
Her size is different.
Girls rated our Vietnamese spring rolls. Now we are going to cook the main thing. We just got back from the grocery store too. Let's see what we got. So, Kevin, what'd you get?
I got Alaskan sea scallops, wild caught in Alaska. They are $36 a pound. So they're very expensive. And then I'm gonna mix that up with some scallop potatoes. So it'll be scallop.
Well, I got some peppered bacon, a New York steak, asparagus, some herbs, aromatics, cheese, and butter.
I am going to do a fancy shepherd's pie. Instead of like ground beef, I'm gonna do like a steak too.
Nice.
Cool.
All right, so let's start. 15 minutes on the clock and let's go.
I need to start. Oh yeah, I gotta sous vide the.
Should I peel my potatoes or not? I don't think I need to.
Erica, one of her favorite foods is actually potato.
What's a favorite potato dish?
Mashed potatoes, probably.
Do you guys see that meme that mashed potatoes are just Irish guacamole?
Irish
Oh
guacamole.
no.
Wow, that looks nice. I've never done a potato like that yet.
It's on TikTok.
All right, boiling, going in.
We're going to play another game. There are 2 penalties. Second place gets to choose one of the penalties on the wheel, and last place has to spin the penalty wheel. The challenge is to name these celebrity chefs.
Oh no.
Oh my god. The baking show guy.
No idea who that is.
No. Steven? I don't know. I just know he's in the baking show, the Great British Baking Show. Handshake guy?
Alright, it's Paula Hollywood.
Oh.
Okay, next one.
Oh, Bobby Flay.
Okay, Erica.
Oh, Morimoto? No, Morimoto.
Something Chen.
Something
The guy-
Chen. I don't know.
Oh yeah, David.
David Chan.
David
No, I'm pretty
sure.
David Chan.
David Chang?
Yeah. Wait, what?
Gordon
Ramsay.
No, you're so fast with the
Gotta be
answers.
speedy.
I don't know either.
Iron Chef. Is he Morimoto?
No, he's not Morimoto, is he?
I can't remember his name. He's not Morimoto. Morimoto?
Yeah.
Oh!
You got that one.
Ready? Okay.
Yeah, she said it first. Oh, Guy Fieri.
Okay, tied.
We're wrong.
Paper, scissors.
Blindfolded.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Betty won.
You gotta spin the penalty wheel.
Okay. 5 minutes earlier. 5 minutes earlier.
Handcuffs.
What do you want?
I'm like
Point.
between this one,
Which one?
the 10 bicep curls, or a teaspoon of wasabi. Like he would eat it, right? He doesn't
Yeah.
cook it with it.
Yeah.
Let's just get it over with.
Do the wasabi, because he might need the
time.
minutes.
Betty won first, so there's no penalty for Nathan.
Woohoo!
Erica got second place, so he picked for Josh to eat a teaspoon of wasabi.
Oh, easy mode.
And then Yue, she spun the penalty wheel, so Kevin has to be handcuffed.
What? That's a real handicap. That's like, come on, man.
Yes. Okay, we'll do this for. Is that good? We'll do that for 15 minutes.
Damn it. I hate this.
Oh, that's so big.
It's a teaspoon.
This is obviously the worst one, okay?
Oh, that's big. It's gonna make your stomach hurt. Maybe we could have got two. You need water. Let's not kill Josh on the first episode.
This is a safety hazard at this point.
I know.
I can't even wear an f***ing oven mitt. Careful, careful.
Oh, that looks good.
Okay, let's put it right there for a second.
Oh, yes. Burn your finger.
Yeah. Oh my f***ing god, this is a f***ing handicap.
Oh, I put too much garlic in there. You still have that taste of wasabi in your mouth?
No.
No.
It's more of like a burning ulcer sensation in my stomach.
I need the thing now.
What thing?
The oven mitt.
You need me to grab something?
And I'm gonna try. I think oh, maybe not. Oh, I can do it. I need you to open the door though.
Which one? Bottom one?
Bottom.
Thank you. And all right, mashed potatoes looking decent.
Admit it, that looks f***ing delicious.
Yours does look good. Who's gonna look the best, guys?
Mine.
Yours?
Probably not mine. Mine will look all right.
Oh, oh, okay. I need chives. Can I have some chives?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my god, how am I gonna cut
I almost feel bad for you.
Holy cow, this is a safety hazard. If I cut my fingers, you guys are paying for my medical bill.
Only if we get 10,000 views.
I am so glad I cut my beforehand.
Imagine if you have to cut all the potatoes like that.
Hey Nathan, you got a steamer?
I forgot which one was mine. All right. Oh. Sorry. Oh my god.
I know, I'm aware. Obviously, I can't like.
Your poor stomach.
My stomach.
Saute mine.
Where's the lid? I need a lid. I'll just borrow this lid.
I actually have no idea how this one's gonna
Is there a lid for that?
What?
You know
Lid?
what?
Yes.
You know what? I can
Lid?
just do that.
Wow.
All right. Am I good?
Where did the other steel?
Thank you.
There's one down there.
Are we plating 3 individual plates?
No, one big plate. This was the. Yep.
I've just been poisoned by the wasabi. I'm moving slowly.
Maybe you sound a little weaker.
I am weak. I'll be okay. The bacon looks a little undercooked, but actually this doesn't look half bad. I take it back.
Oh, I need a beer.
Yeah, that sounds good right now. Is there fuel in here? This is gonna be a solid competition.
I know, yeah, we did good, boys.
Alright, there we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
All right, let's see.
Whoa. Whoa. Wait, oh, it's all 3?
This is so nice.
Whoa.
Nice looking.
Good job, guys. Wait, where's the potato in that one?
Oh, bottom.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
see it.
whoa. I would say plating wise, this one looks the best. Like ratio wise, this looks like it was thought out. This one is very like manly feeling. This one is like very mishmash.
I would prefer these two. Feel like when the meat are cut too thin, they usually dry out. Like visually when I see that, I feel like, oh, it's like turning me off a little bit.
I like that one. It just reminds me of like a classic American dinner. diner food. I also do like mashed potatoes.
This seems like the sauce was just like thrown on like this.
I see.
Smells good in here now.
Oh wow, the food looks great. What the heck?
What does it taste like?
Sweet. It's pretty yummy, but it's like a flavor I haven't had before.
Wow, potato is really good. It's so good.
And then Chinese broccoli was like blanched well. Like it's cooked all the way through and like it's soft and not like crunchy.
I like this dish. I mean, I like the potato of this dish specifically.
Like the potatoes are really good. I also feel like the scallops were unnecessary. But the Chinese broccoli and the potatoes are really good.
The potatoes are good. I'm not a huge scallop fan. I don't like seafood very much. They were still good though. I'm just trying to think like what you would call this dish.
Sweet potato casserole.
Maple potato
Oh
casserole?
yeah. Maple onion potato casserole.
Wait, I think the potatoes are scalloped though.
Oh. Okay. It looks interesting and it looks appetizing, but it's weird.
Standards are high.
It's good. It's more flavorful than it looks. I would eat that for dinner and be able to finish it versus like that one. It's still like flavorful and I could taste each component.
I would like a little more seasoning on them.
Creativity.
I think it's pretty creative. Reminds me of shepherd's pie a little bit.
If you could name the dish, what would you name it?
Shepherd's pie with
Shepherd's pie, yeah. I think it was clean and neat and I like the layers.
If this was at a restaurant and that's what it's known for, would you come back?
I would come back.
Maybe not at a restaurant, but at home.
They intentionally cut the potatoes and put a lot of like work into this.
It just feels too big and chunky.
Says the person.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Thoughts on the taste? Betty, looks like you don't like it.
It makes me want water. No, it's just kind of
Too much? Too dense?
dry.
Dry.
I like the asparagus and bacon.
Asparagus is good.
Asparagus is good.
Like comparing the three, I think it's not the most creative.
I liked how the potatoes are cut, but it is kind of like potatoes and steak.
Like they didn't try to be creative here. Josh made that one.
But he wouldn't have cut potatoes like that. But then I don't imagine Josh doing this either.
The way they cut the carrot is kind of strange, like this. That could be Kevin's too, because it feels very Kevin to serve it in a pan.
Which one would you eat again? I would eat this one again. So maybe that's Kevin.
Yeah.
And this is Josh. What about you, Betty?
Alrighty.
Ready? 3, 2,
Wait.
1.
I wrote all three of them.
Oh, okay.
Me too, that's what I did first.
Kevin, Josh. Alright, write down who you think made the second dish. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Nathan,
Okay.
all around for the middle dish.
Universal.
Josh, Kevin.
Damn.
Yeah, we guessed the same things.
Oh.
You guys guessed the exact same thing.
Don't
The
tell us
only
anything.
reason why I guess this is Josh because this is our frying pan.
So the verdict?
That was me.
Kevin, Nathan, Josh.
Oh, we were right. We were right after all.
Things were so correct. Like, we have to mix this up.
Dude, we cooked up until the last minute.
Dang.
They technically had 5.
But it's pretty impressive you guys made this in an hour.
Yeah. And they overall look better than expected, huh?
Mm.
Thank you so much, everyone. All right.